यार अनुराग कश्यप ने आज तक मुझे किसी स्क्रिप्ट के लिए भी अप्रोच नहीं किया है, पता नहीं कौन सी पिक्चर की बात हो रही है. नो, आई डोंट नो इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट डायरेक्टोरियल और प्रोडक्शन, आई डोंट नो. बट अभी तक मैंने कुछ साइन नहीं किया है अभी तक. आई विल बी प्राउडली अनाउंसिंग इट. वट एवर आई साइन आई वुड बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू अनाउंस इट. यू वोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर एनी रूमर.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Tasu. My name is Khushbu.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like your roles, my question is a serious one. It is a fact that top male actors earn at least 5 times more than the female actresses. And but
Sometimes even 10.
Yeah, exactly. So despite such appalling reality, movies like Finding Fanny, Highway, or Mary Kom, and even Naam Shabana, it has proved that the audience doesn't only go to watch the heroes. So how do you see this income disparity?
How many movies of such sort do you actually come across in a year? Probably 1, 2 maximum, right? So it's kind of unfair to ask for an equal pay when you're not getting an equal amount of opening collection. The day the audience walks into theaters and sees a female protagonist film and gives us same amount of bumper opening of 10 crores, 15 crores and all that, that day I will say, we need to be paid equally. Right now, I think it's a little unfair for producers to give us an equal amount of money, because no matter how good the film is, like my film probably this year had the highest opening for a female protagonist film, and it was a little above 5. So I'd and if you compare it with all the leading male protagonists today in the industry, they get far higher, most of them. So it's just unfair for me to demand the same price. I think first the audience needs to come in and give me that bumper opening, then I'll ask for the equal pay.
So you've been known to be ekdam, how do they say, muffat.
Oh God, don't say. I hate that term, yeah.
It's true. It's true.
I'm just honest. Let's just move what is makes it very very crass. Let's make it. I'm a very honest person. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Hollywood on your carpet anytime soon?
Is Hollywood offering me any film? Yeah, if I'm not gonna go there and ask for it, let's just say that if it comes my way, because even when I started off in South or Bollywood for that matter, it's not like I went there and I asked for work. As I said, I've been very lucky. So if I get an opportunity sitting here doing the work I'm doing, I don't mind trying it. But I don't think I'm going there trying to make it in Hollywood.
But were you always a Bollywood person?
I've never been a Bollywood person, yeah.
Movie
Movie watching, yeah, of course, all of us have grown up on watching films. So I've been watching films, but it's not like your first day, first show, jaake he first, have to see
No, but
it
you've been
this
a fan of-
weekend. Yeah, I've been watching films while growing up.
Which is that one role you would have loved to do?
Yeah, Bollywood
any-
concerned. Like right now, if you ask me, lately that people have been asking me this question, I have one answer that comes to my head is Gone Girl's character. That I would love to do. Since I'm known to be doing little off
That's a
things.
very sadistic role. I'm a
Yeah.
little scared of you now.
Yeah, I see the black humor there. I see the black humor.
There.
Hi, Tashi, how are you?
Hi, I'm very good, thank you.
After Judva 2, it's been heard like you are in Mulk with a serious avatar. So, what
So
do you-
yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So, what do you think? Like you have been portrayed as a stereotypical in a serious avatar. What is your take on it?
You haven't seen Judva as yet, trust me. I'm looking forward to all of your reaction when you see Judva. See, I've done Judva sort of films most of my life in film industry. You guys haven't seen my South films, so that's why you probably haven't seen me in that avatar. And those people are getting shocked seeing me in serious roles because they haven't seen me in serious roles. So it's very contradictory. Wait for Judva. Judva, your opinion is gonna change quite a bit where my perception is concerned. But at the end of the day, I have built a certain image which I'm really proud of. The fact that I take up characters which have depth or meaning and that can impact my audience for a long time. And I wouldn't want to give that up, yeah. I will get back to doing serious stuff or thrillers or whatever, dramas and all, because I've built a certain image because of those films and I'm extremely proud of that image. I have nothing like, I have to shed that image. I don't have that. I'll be versatile. I'll do a Judva also in between, but it's not like I'm ashamed of having that image of mine.
One of your serious roles was in Baby, where you shared a screen space with Akshay Kumar. So did he give you any of of fitness and diets on sets?
Because he's extremely fit.
Oh, he's very fit. No, I mean, he didn't give me any tips. He used to just be concerned about the fact that I'm happy doing those stunts. It's not like I'm forced to do those stunts and I'm not liking it. And I'm making sure I'm taking enough safety precautions, because he used to always say that, you know, if you're liking it and you are safe, is only when you can do it for a longer time. So that is what his concern was, you know, if I'm doing it safely and if I'm enjoying it or no. He never used to give me any diet tips or, workout tips, because I don't think he probably felt that I need it.
This is a question I ask everyone who's done a film with Akshay. Is that how early did you have to wake up?
Listen, I'm myself a morning person, so I totally identify with Akshay. My day starts around 7:30 every day, not as early as his. But I mean, I sleep by 11 o'clock. I'm not a night person at all. In fact, even I detest night shoots. So after 11 o'clock, my brain shuts.
So are you the one who sleeps in the corner in a nightclub?
People have stopped taking me to nightclubs now. Like, my sister has blacklisted me from all the groups, and she's like, you're not allowed to even come out with us, because I'm the biggest party pooper. I'm just the most nagging and annoying person in a nightclub. So people have stopped taking me now.
Yeah.
Would you ever go for body doubles for your stunts?
If you make me jump from some really crazy height without any protection, then I might end up doing that, because I want to keep doing films for a longer time.
I'm Josh from Stardust.
Yeah.
Is there any particular genre you would want to stick to?
Never. I think it's suicidal for an actor to do that, to stick to one
but
particular
like,
genre.
Say Shah Rukh Khan, he's done rom-coms. And
But he's done a lot of other things also. I don't call Chak De a rom-com, and for me, if you ask me, that's the first Shah Rukh Khan film that comes to my head. Dar or Chak De. For me, that is what tops the list. Yeah.
How working in South is different than working in Bollywood?
Apart from language, nothing else actually. And that is all the problems in terms of how much you can experiment comes because of the language, I feel. So apart from language, I don't see much of the scale of the film is the same. You know, the magnitude with which you make the film is equally big or small. It varies. The treatment, in fact, actually the South treats you more like a queen. You feel over pampered and spoiled there.
I was watching an EIC video where you were talking about the South films.
Yeah. I don't know what did you interpret out of it. I am still trying to understand how people interpreted whatever they interpreted out of it. So I'm still like, I hope you saw the entire 15 minutes and not the 10 seconds played on the loop. Yeah.
Coming out of the coconut tub was.
Did you laugh at it? Please don't laugh right now, because if this goes viral, I'll be in a soup again.
Yes,
Yeah.
we'll take last two questions. Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you prepare for your stunts for Naam Shabana?
I had a intensive, almost close to a year-long training. Yeah, immediately after baby, I think 2 months after baby, I got to know that I'm going to do this. So I started off my training then and there, and we had to add a few martial art techniques apart from Krav Maga. Krav Maga is what I learned for baby, and then I added Aikido, I added MMA to those techniques, and then I was training there onwards till the release, and every time before any stunt sequence. So there were like at least 4 to 5 stunt sequences in the film, and every sequence had a different type of training involved before I used to go on floor to shoot it. So there was a continuous training for like months. I had to go through that training every day, 2 hours of training.
And finally, to end this interview, what's next for Taapsee Pannu?
Yeah.
After Judwa.
See, I have 2 films right now. Of course, you people know about Judwa. I have 18th August, my Ananda Brahma Telugu film of mine releasing in Telugu industry. That is what I'm looking forward to immediately. Soon after, we'll release a trailer of Judwa 2, and then I have 29 September Judwa 2. After that, Mulk is what I should be doing next. I really need to start working on it for you to tell you what exactly is going to happen and when it's going to release and all that. But yeah, I am in talks with people
And are
who
you
are making
looking at
movies.
web series? Because Inside Out was something that really
I haven't seen the series. I would love to have. I know Angad is in the film and I know him well, so I would love to see the web series. I've been approached for a few, But I first of all, the thing is for me, doing web series, of course, it is the future. But I'm already getting to do the out of the box roles which people try to experiment in doing web series, which probably not a lot of people get to do in films. But thankfully, by God's grace, I'm getting to do out of the box stuff in films so far. So far, I don't really have the time or don't really feel the need to immediately do a web series. Let's see in the future if I feel like.
Awesome. On that note, I think we'll close today's interview. Please give her a huge round of applause.
Thank you guys. I'm sorry for the delay, guys. Sorry, so
We'll
sorry.
take a few pictures and. Oh yeah, they want to mic see.
बॉस हो गया ना प्लीज अभी उसको दे देना
कब से यहाँ पे
सर
Yeah, I'm just seeing what all, what's all there. I haven't read my reviews yet.